Okay, best practice on backlinkings. The general guideline that we have today is to use up to 2 links per press release. Our form supports 3, and you can always add however many you want at the end, but we generally recommend that you use 2. Some people use 1. I think, I don't see a lot of benefit between 1 and 2, but having that extra backlink in there, I think, helps a lot to provide something that's contextually relevant. You can go up to 3 if you want. Some people will do that, and some people love to do that, and other people prefer to stay a little bit lower on the spammy spectrum. That first link should be topically relevant, whatever that angle is about, whether you're talking about a case study, a product, a service, a new review, whatever. Link to whatever it is that you're talking about, right? Be upfront about it, and then use that second link to link to something else that's branded as for that customer. So it could be a social platform, it could be a YouTube channel, it could be really anything as long as it's branded to them. If let's say in the first link you didn't link to something that's on their website, like a deep link, whether it's a case study, something like that. Let's say you link to a GMB review. Well, take that third link and use that to link to something that's somewhat relevant, but it's actually on their homepage or on their website, so that you're really kind of adding that extra relevance, but it's bringing a backlink back to the main website as well. Usually you get that free link to the main homepage, so I do tell you, usually you want to avoid linking to the main root of the web page. Using the links for deep links, and again, you use your judgment as to what you think looks spammy or not, but 2, maybe 3 links is about how much you'd want to go to. And feel free to experiment. We get people experimenting all the time. I've seen people sending out 6 links, and I'm not sure why, but if it works for them, it works for them. And every strategy is a little bit different. So you may get better mileage out of that if you're just trying to, let's say you're trying to power up cloud stacks or something like that. It probably doesn't hurt to have 5 or 6 links in the press release.